Are you trying to choose between Snowflake, Databricks, and Fabric? It can be tough to decide which one is best for your needs. In this video, we'll compare these three popular tools to help you make the right choice. All three tools are designed to help you manage and analyze data. They each have their strengths and can be used for different purposes. Let's dive into what makes each one unique. First up is Snowflake. It's known for its cloud based data warehousing. Snowflake allows you to store and analyze large amounts of data easily. Its architecture separates storage from compute, which means you can scale as needed. Many users love its simple interface and powerful SQL capabilities. Next, we have Databricks. This tool is built for big data processing and machine learning. It combines data engineering and data science in one platform. Databricks is great for collaborative work, allowing teams to share notebooks and insights easily. Its integration with Apache Spark makes it a strong choice for handling large datasets. Now, let's look at Fabric. Fabric is a newer player in the game. It aims to unify data integration, analytics, and AI. With Fabric, you can manage data pipelines and real time analytics all in one place. It's designed to be user friendly, making it accessible for both technical and non technical users. When comparing these tools, the key differences lie in their focus areas. Snowflake excels in data warehousing. Databricks is best for big data and machine learning, while Fabric aims to integrate various data processes. In terms of pricing, Snowflake charges based on usage, while Databricks offers different plans based on features. Fabric also has a flexible pricing model, but details can vary. So, who should choose what? If you need a strong data warehouse, go with Snowflake. If your focus is on big data and machine learning, Databricks is a solid option. And if you want an all in one solution, Fabric might be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons and insights.